Inside your start game function, you will need to display the canvas element and hide the start screen container. Use the canvas.style.display to change the display value to block. Below that, use start screen.style.display to change the display value to none. So, just copy paste what is given to us from the instruction. Start screen. So perhaps let's take a step back. In our start game arrow function is that we have two statements. The first one is canvas.style that display rather. So we have a style property that has a property of display, and this property is used to access the CSS and manipulate it from the JavaScript. And this one would be the elements or the variables from JavaScript that is a reference from the HTML or the JavaScript itself. So again, if we take a look at our HTML, this one. So we are referring, so we have here an ID of canvas, correct? And then we reference it from our JavaScript, which is this one, get element by ID canvas. So we are referring this HTML element from our JavaScript, and in our JavaScript is that we set this canvas and we accessed its CSS to display to block, meaning this will be visible because it's a block level. And then if we go to our start screen is an element or a variable in our JavaScript. If we navigate to our JavaScript, or this one, so start screen is a variable that is assigned to a selector with a start screen. So if we navigate again from our HTML, there it is. We have here a div container that has a class start screen that is a reference from the JavaScript and assigned to a camel case variable start screen, this one. So again, we are trying, or we are actually interacting with its CSS. Again, style here, a style property, and a style display that is set to none, meaning it will be invisible. So it is referring to this one. So if we actually push this button, it will hit, or it will be hidden because of this statement, and a canvas will be shown because of this volume block. So that is how JavaScript reads code. That would be it. Nice.